day 10 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Welcome back. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, we're trying to run them subscribers up. So help me out with that if you can. Please and thank you. Okay, today we have question number 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. The difficulty level is easy. So yeah, let's do it. The question says, given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums, Return k. Then we got the custom judge. It says example 1. The input nums is 1, 1, 2. The output is 2, nums 1, 2. So there's two numbers in the array, 1 and 2, and we removed 1 because there were duplicate ones. So we moved one of them. Now there's just 1, 1 and 1, 2. Now this blank underscore right here basically means that the memory is still there from the first one. So it didn't delete the memory. It's still there, but part of the question is that we're not allowed to add memory, So this right here just signaling that the memory is still there, but it removed number 1 so that there are no duplicate elements in the array. Let's look at example number 2. It says input nums equals 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4. The output is 5 because at the end there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 indexes in the array with values present besides the underscores. And the nums is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started out with 2 zeros, we removed 1. We started out with 3 ones, we removed 2 of them. Started out with 2 twos, remove 1. Started off with 2 threes, removed 1 and 1 4. So in the end we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The explanation says your function should return k equals 5. That's because there are 5 numbers in the array, with the first 5 elements of nums being 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return k, hence there are underscores. So, like I said, this is a pretty easy problem. It's not going to take that long. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to declare a variable called I, and we're going to set that equal to 0. Then after that, what we're going to do is we have to loop through the nums, the array of integers called nums. So in order to do that, we're going to say for num and nums. Then we're going to say if nums does not equal nums I, then, not nums, but if num does not equal nums I, then we're going to say nums 1 plus I equals num. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say I plus equals 1. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return I plus 1. Now, let's see what this does when we run it. That should be all we need though. That wasn't that hard. Ooh, okay. Expected expression after operator and solution. So right here, I forgot to say plus equals 1. I just said I plus equals, so let's try that again. Boom, and it's accepted. So let's submit it and see what we got. Boom, beats 43.56% of users in Swift. And there it is. There it is. There's the answer for question number 26. Remove duplicates from the sorted array. Till tomorrow, guys. I'll see you then.